Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Lay out a small speaker, a 5mm cable or Bluetooth module, and a horn-shaped enclosure made from cardboard or thin wood. Attach the speaker to the enclosure opening so sound concentrates forward. This increases loudness passively. If you want powered boost, prepare a simple amplifier board like an LM386 with a 9V supply, but keep wiring short. Once done, secure connections with solder or tight crimps, and make sure polarity is correct. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Continue by forming a horn with a smooth flare. A 10 to 30 centimeter gradual expansion boosts mid-frequencies by directing pressure waves. Mount the speaker at the throat and seal edges to avoid leaks. If using an LM386 board, wire input through a coupling capacitor and add a gain potentiometer for control, then test at low volume. Make sure the amplifier ground and speaker ground are common, once stable. Enclose electronics in a ventilated box so heat dissipates and hum is minimized. Finish by sealing the horn and securing the amplifier. Add rubber feet to isolate vibrations and prevent rattles. Tune output, reduce gain if you hear distortion, and use a simple EQ on your source to lift lows or cut harsh highs. Make sure wiring is insulated and strain relieved so connections stay solid. If noise persists, check for grounding issues and swap cables to isolate interference. One key troubleshooting tip: if distortion occurs, cut the gain first, then inspect speaker wiring and the power supply for faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.